Today I'm going to show you something like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you the process and how to do it. It's very easy. I'm using Adobe Premiere, and this one is so simple and easy to do. Okay, so let's open the Premiere. Okay, so there's the green, there's the green, this is the green background, and there's the person. So I'm going to take this green out. Okay, so I think I got my background here. Okay, I get my background here. Okay, you can try this site, ArtStation. They get a lot of backgrounds over there. Okay, so this is what I just got. So let's test and see. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it from here. Okay, and let's just take this out because this not part. So we're going to use this. I mean, 7 seconds. Okay, it's not long, but you're going to try to just use this. Okay, you can try something different. I'm saying like you're just but me, but let's stick to it. So let me just bring this out. Okay, so I'll count it. I'll push this one, then I'll cut here and here too, same. Okay, so when you are cutting it, you want to get it this in the long and the short, the full short and the long. Make sure you just push it to the long side before you cut it. Okay, here to same, to push to the short side before you cut it. Okay, so when you are done with this, search for key and ultra key. This is the key we're going to use. Okay, so this key you're going to drag into here, or you can drag it into here. It's going to appear here too. Then you choose the key color, then you click on the green side. Okay, so we take it out, but there's some things over there, it's not complete. So we're going to open this side. Okay, and take the shadow down. Okay, so the shadow, and here to 0, and here to going to increase it a little, but not much. So let's just maintain it like this. Okay, so when you are done with this, okay, try to cut the background. Sorry, cut the background and scale it. When you scale it, make it to this level and push this one to this side. So let me play in this. See, okay, so there's a mistake I need to fix right now. Okay, so I think this is cool. So when we have done with this, okay, then we copy the ultra key because we have done with the settings. Okay, and use this pin to just cut this the long side, because this is not what we just need. We need only this side. Okay, so when you're done with this, just hit Control V. Okay, because we are done with the cutting, and I'm going to fix the little mistake over around. I mean this side. I'll allow this come out, and let's check and see this, and this is going to be 100% because we need to remove all this. Then copy it, and the same here too. Okay, then use the pen tool to just take this down like this, then Control V. Okay, and here too, same, Control V. Then we scale this side too. So we're just making it the full shot and then the long. Okay. Oh, sorry for this. And let me just zoom in this. Push this one to top like this. So I want to show you. I want to play it and show it to you. So there's a mistake here, and let me just take this game side out and put the new one, the recent one I just did. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so this side I'm going to scale it to this position. Okay, around here. So check the leg. I want the leg to be around the side. Okay, and I'll copy the scale, and I'll do the same thing here, so that is you're not gonna stress too much. Okay, I think there's a mistake. Okay, and let me see, this one is, let me see. Okay, I think I need to crop it. I need to cut it, sorry, to the side. And I need to fill this side. Okay. Here it was disappeared, so I just making it pop out. Okay. So I think we are done with this. And the shots, you make sure that you just search for blur. Okay. When search for blur, choose the camera blur and take it to 0 and check. Let's see 1. Let me just hit 1. Okay, so 1 is cool, and move to here too. And I will drag it to here because it's short, the full shot. So I just want to blend the background just small. And here too, I will drag this one to the top here and nest it, and I'll hold Alt and I'll drag this. Okay, when you drag this, search for flip, vertical flip. Okay, going the downwards go top and the top will face down, then push it like this. Then we'll move to opacity and take the opacity to, let's say, 26. Okay, then we'll come here too, and I'll do the same thing, and I'll do the same thing here. Vertical, so it's going to be on the top like this, and push it to down, and take the opacity down 26. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so when you're done with it, I get something to add to it. This, you can create this on like Photoshop, or you can just make it here, because I just want to create my lighting. This is want to fade it. Okay, and something like this, and I will take the opacity down to, let's say, 64, and I'll drag this one too. I created all this, so I want to add to it to make it real, and then we drag and we scale it and we push it down like this. Okay, so as you can see, just change everything. Okay, let's just play it and see. Yeah, so that's it. So you can do the same thing and start just working on those stuffs. Okay, and later you can just add things to it and see how it just works. So I'm awake. Subscribe to my page, and I'm gonna see you for the next video. Bye.